welcome back to our channel. This is Abby.
And I'm Samantha Cendana. Today's vlog, I'm going to show you what's inside my school bag. So, this is SMIGGLE bag. It's so nice. I love this one. This SMIGGLE bag is from Young Delsa, and this little stuffed toy is from Young Bambi. So, let's get started. First, let's start with this pocket.
Alright, but look at her view from her room. Right, this is so nice. I love it. Okay.
Okay, let's start from this pocket. Okay, so here I have this extra tissue if I need to blow. And this, it's some mosquito wet tissue. So after I swim, I could put some so no mosquito will bite me. And I have sanitizer, hand sanitizer.
Show it to us.
And here I have another sanitizer. It's for bacteria. Ta-da! Here's all of my stuff from the first pocket. Let's put it there first.
It's okay, you can put it back.
My bag is a little bit heavy. Too heavy. Just wash it in.
Okay.
Next up, let's open this second pocket. Excuse me. So here I have is my pencil case. It's a unicorn pencil case, so this is also SMIGGLE. There's 3 zips. So here's all of my rulers. And this is my colors and my ball pen. More colors. This is very
Pencil as well.
yeah. And the last thing of all is my pencils. So I have a lot of pencils. Ta-da! And here's all of my erasers. And these are my notebook. This is my scratch notebook for math. And this is math's notebook. And this is my old reading card. These are all of the signs that I read. And this is Chinese.
Can you teach us?
Okay, so this is my name, Samantha. This is my number 19, and my class is P2 Red. Match the correct pinyin with the pictures below and color them beautifully. So this Lao Hu is tiger, and this one is Shang Mao. It's a panda, and this one it's a elephant.
How do you say that?
Da Xiang. And this one is Gao. And this one is Niang. It's a bird. And this is Lao Shi. It's a mouse. And this is Yu. It's a fish. And the last thing is Mao. It's a cat.
Very good. Because guys, sa school nila, it's nag-aaral sila ng Chinese at the same time Thai and also English pa rin.
And this is my Thai song for Mother's Day.
Can you sing us, please?
Oh my gosh, I forgot the tone. So this, I'm going to tell you what's the title. I love mommy with all my heart.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. And you're so pretty with all my heart too. Next, let's go with the third pocket. I know this is really small, but I'm not sure what's inside. So this is my old ID, SMIGGLE.
Yeah. It's a SMIGGLE as well.
And this also smells good. And this is also
Close it.
my other ID. And this is my cute little emoji bag. This is my watch. I'm a watch phone. As you can see, I'm a watch. Okay, let me show you what's inside here. So here, this is nothing. I'm gonna draw that later. So here I have is my mirror, so I can check myself here. See, ta-da! It's Mickey Mouse and Minnie Mouse.
Put it back.
Oh, okay. And somewhere else there? Nope, just mirror. And here is I have my drawing notebook, so I could draw anything.
Yeah, she loves to draw.
Oh, and I have to show you something special here. I draw this last time. This is in the afternoon. And this is in the evening. I really like this. It's so nice. So these are the mountains, the palm tree. See, that's the view. I draw that. Okay. Next, I'm gonna show you my Thai book. So, when I'm in the classroom, I always have to read this. So, you know why there's these signs? Because I pass. So now I'm right here. I don't know which page I am. I pass that, I pass that, I pass. Oh, yeah, I pass
Can you
that.
please read one of the
Which one?
anything, and then you can explain it to us? What's the meaning?
Okay, so I'm gonna read this for you. 1, 2, 3 ก่อนนอนผู้ใหญ่ช่วยกันก่อไฟเพิ่มที่ปากถ้ำอีกเพื่อป้องกันสัตว์ร้ายเข้ามาตรงซอกหินใกล้ที่นอนก็วางใบตะไคร้หอมสุมไฟเพื่อไล่ยุงและแมลงก่อนเอนตัวลงนอนทุกคนพนมมือไหว้อธิษฐานขอให้ปลอดภัยภูพาและน้ำใสสบตากันอมยิ้มคิดในใจว่านี่เรากลัวอะไรกลัวทำไม So before we sleep, all of the adults help to get some sticks so they can make fire. And they're in the cave again. So not the other animals from this cave will hurt them. It's near in the
Forest.
Yeah, it's near in the forest and there's lots of rocks. And the deer can't come because there's a lot of rocks, so only the human.
Okay.
And they need fire because so there's no flies or something that flies like insects.
Yeah, insects.
So like mosquitoes, they always bite me because my blood is sweet.
Okay, moving on.
Oh, alright. Okay. Alright, so I'll show you this one already. This is my math. Thai math. Let me show you what's inside. So here's all of my... This is the scratch. There's more. Okay. Next, I'm gonna show you...
We have another books.
Yeah.
Math again, science.
This, guys, it's my new math because I finished the other notebook. So this is book 2 now. And this is science. So here's my science textbook, and here's my science word book. Okay, and this is my math textbook. Here's my science. It's in Thai. This is my phonics Thai. This is another reading. And this is my science for my exam. So we have here, it's my another pouch. So here I have my school coins. So if there's no electricity or power, we have to use this, but I keep it. I don't use it. Alright. Like that. See, it says I love London. That's right. I love London. Next, I have 100 baht. This is my emergency money. This is my brush, so I can brush my hair if my hair is messy. That's what I have in me.
So rectangle.
Ow. And next, this is the last one. What's inside here? Nothing. Okay. Oh, and I have my lip gloss. It's Pepsi. Ta-da! It's
Just cherry.
Yeah, cherry flavor. Alright, anything more else here? Oh, yeah. I have my, let me take off the, this is my name. So this is my raincoat. So if it's raining, I should wear this. Okay, here's my med kit. Alright, so I have is my band-aid, and this is lotion, and this is my insect repellent wipes. Right? Okay guys, so thank you guys, and I hope you enjoy my what's inside my school bag. Bye!
See you in the next video, guys.
Thanks for watching guys. Give us a big thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell button, and I'll see you on our next video guys. Bye!